Okay. Good evening. I'm Marga Mahalia Eloise Martinez, but you can call me Marga. Sorry, I have a very long name. I'm an international student taking up my associate degree in facilities management and engineering here in Oakton. And also, I work as a part-time peer advisor for the Office of the Advising and as a sustainability researcher for the maintenance department. I finished my bachelor's degree in business majoring in marketing and advertising in the Philippines in the year 2008. Tonight, I would like to share my beautiful and amazing journey with Oakton with you. To start, Oakton is a great place to discover yourself and your potential. I grew up in a business-oriented family where all of us are encouraged to continue growing our business. True enough, right after graduating and having a short stint with different companies, I decided to quit my job and do what I thought I was destined to do. I even had a chance to start and run my own company. While the so-called adulting was happening, I realized that learning and loving what I do must go hand in hand. I knew at some point that I would go back to school. I took some short courses that would complement the business, like Korean language, 안녕하세요, 사랑해, and even mechanic course. I kept myself occupied with dragon boating, a hobby that became my sport. I would spend 4 hours almost every day paddling in one of the most polluted bays in the world, Manila Bay. I would spearhead and clean up missions to lessen the filth that is in there. But the awakening happened, the course of pandemic, when YOLO was occurring. But what really pushed me to leave my beloved country was the newly elected President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. I knew then that the Philippines was doomed. Sorry for that. I went here and decided to follow uncertainty. It was the summer of 2023 when my journey with Oakton started. I knew then that I called the right number when I got the help and the assurance I needed when I asked about the procedures of being an international student. It might also be the desperation and my anxious voice that gave it away. You see, Oakton made my mama proud of me. I have the President's Scholars Award and maintain a 3.75 GPA. My mom thinks that this is a miracle. As I have never had this recognition during my university days. So for the parents here, don't give up on your kids because you will never know what will happen to them in the future. In my journey here, I also learned that your presence and voice matter. Through my love for dragon boating and my experience with cleanup missions, I had the courage to apply for an opening as a sustainability researcher in the maintenance department here in Oakton. By God's grace, I was hired last May 2024. I was amazed at the things that I have discovered in sustainability. My task was to report to my then boss, Charmaine John, to gather and interpret the data that we needed for us to get the STARS rating. I knew then it would be challenging, but I always wanted to be part of something of value and would have great impact on things. Our goal was simple: for Oakton to be recognized for its sustainability accomplishments and plan on an international level. My position as sustainability researcher paved the way for me to share my knowledge and experiences with my fellow students and professors. While working on this project, I realized how sustainability can be part of a company's value. Last semester, I was enrolled in a Business 101 class under Dr. Keenan Andrews. And one day, she asked us if we could suggest how to improve the curriculum. I shared with her the STARS project and suggested that sustainability can be part of the curriculum. Well, that ignited my 20-minute presentation about the importance of sustainability in our future with it. I was asked to present my advocacy to my classmates and to other classes too. I was so happy. The outcome was during the presentation of business proposal as part of our final grade, there were 3 proposals that magnified sustainability. And one of them even said that we were thinking about your advocacy while brainstorming for our business plan. Wow, that was a win for us. So I realized this must be how the influencers feel every time their TikTok videos is being shared and liked. Also, Professor Astrid Duran allowed me to share my advocacy during our Principles of Management class. Not only did my professors, my bosses help me a lot, but the support that I got from my counselors here in Oakton and the extra mile that they went just to make sure that I was in a good position was unbelievable. So with that being said, please invite me to your class and I will be more than happy to share my advocacy for sustainability. Finally, my journey has proven that Oakton is a community of opportunities. Working for the Office of Advising, for the Maintenance Office, and on the STARS project opened a lot of opportunities for me. These helped me to boost my confidence that despite my age, it is not too late to change a career. It was a sunny, windy morning at Des Plaines Metro. Waiting for the bus to go to school, I received an email from our president, Dr. Smith, congratulating me and inviting me to receive an award for the project. I couldn't believe it. I had to read the email numerous times and wondered if it was mine. It seems to be true, as I'm in front of you tonight. I can go on and on about all the good experiences that I had in the past 1.5 years, and it will not be close enough to tell you how grateful I am for the opportunity. In a few months, I will be leaving Oakton, and I hope I will be given a chance to give back to this place that became my home away from home. As we say in Filipino, maraming salamat, pagpalain kayo ng Diyos, at muli magandang gabi. In English, thank you very much, God bless, and again, good evening.